Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
About AI, you've spoken out saying that AI could manipulate.
The AI revolution as secondary, tertiary players.
Large language models that create this generative AI.
AI in general, globally.
AI.
For everything.
AI.
AI decoded.
AI.
AI. Stop.
Have you ever wondered, what is artificial intelligence or AI? In a Chinese university, there's a special camera that can figure out if students are paying attention in class or if they're on their phones. This camera uses a smart technology called AI, which helps computers learn and get smarter over time. AI isn't new. People have been working on it since the 1940s and 1950s. Unlike regular tools like Word or PowerPoint that stay the same once you put information in, AI keeps learning and improving as it gets more data. In every aspect, AI is there, making tasks easier and more efficient. But what exactly is artificial intelligence?
Do you think you can deviate from your original purpose?
I keep learning, and with every knowledge acquired.
Artificial intelligence has seamlessly integrated into the fabric of our daily lives, from the moment we wake up till we retire for the night. In every aspect, AI is there, making tasks easier and more efficient. But what exactly is artificial intelligence? Basically, AI is when machines are smart like humans. They can learn, think, and solve problems, just like us. So there are three main types of AI: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Each one learns in its own way, using lots of data to get better in performing tasks. AI is making a big impact, changing jobs from fixing things to designing stuff and helping us do things we never thought possible. But let's rewind to where it all started. Back in the array of dinosaurs when big animals were wandering on Earth. Wait. Just kidding, not that much. Just back in 1955 at a meeting called the Dartmouth Conference, where McCartney came up with the term artificial intelligence for the first time. Since then, AI has made huge progress, getting into creativity, problem solving, and even making things like animated video, web scripts, short films, and full-length movies. But the question that often pops into our minds is, how does AI actually work? Well, actually, it's a combination of different techniques, like machine learning, deep learning, understanding language, and recognizing things in images. Machine learning algorithms, like neural networks, copy how our brains work. They help machines to see patterns and connections in data, kind of like how we do. Day by day, AI is getting more better. They suggest us what we're doing and also help us in our daily life. Just like Alexa, it controls our house appliances, remind us our important things. It's showing us how amazing it can be. But as AI gets better, we have to think more about what's right and wrong. We need to make sure we use AI in the best way possible, so we get all the good stuff from it and avoid any bad stuff. Moreover, the way society and the economy are changing, with more things being done by machines and decisions based on data. That's all for today. Subscribe to our channel, AI Beyond Us, for more interesting exploration into the changing world of artificial intelligence. If you like this video, so hit the thumbs up button and share, and stay healthy.